Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So every month, the folks at Epic Games, they issue out free content to Unreal Engine artists. And this month is no different, as we do have 5 free content and of course 1 permanently free content for anyone who would like to get it. Starting off, we're looking at VP Real Foods and Coffee Bakery. The Real Food is a project with 40 photorealistic scanned food models and 30 decoration models, and all of these are fully equipped within a coffee bakery scene. So this is good for advertising and for those who like to do film stuff, games, architecture, and also VR. These models come with 6 levels of details and they range from 25,000 polygons for film all the way to 200 polygons for games. And for anyone who's thinking about using this for real time, you'll be able to have access to a whole lot of things that you can work with. At the same time, there's a couple of unique meshes that you'll be getting with this. There are 40 photo scanned foods, which we mentioned earlier, 30 decorations, and 50 models for both the bakery and also the outside street. And the number of materials you'll be getting with this are quite a lot, as they'll be ranging from 21 master materials all the way to 135 material instances for those who like to tweak things around. And for those who are looking for textures, there's a couple of textures right here which are quite impressive for anyone looking for something that they can use to decorate the entire scene. Next up, we have the modular concert stage. So if you're into virtual presentation or virtual concerts, then the modular concert stage is definitely something that you might want to look at. Made available by the folks at Modular Studio, this comes with a number of animatable and at the same time modular scenes that you can tweak to your liking. And in terms of technical details, there's a couple of things that you can take a look at, which include the number of meshes that ranging from 77 unique model all the way to just 97 meshes in total. And of course, there are some texture resolutions for you. So these texture resolutions are going from 64 by 64 all the way to 4K. And for those who are also thinking about how to set things up and also how to get things going, there is a documentation that gets you from point A to point B for setting these lovely stages for yourself. Currently, this is available for Unreal Engine 4.18 all the way to 5.0, which is just announced, and it makes sense to see that anyone who would like to take advantage of this can start playing with it at this point. The third asset that's available for this month is the Medieval Houses Modular version 2. Now, this would allow you build high-quality realistic medieval villages, and there are also some pre-made houses with interiors. And of course, if you're thinking about building yours, you have access to 209 modular meshes that you can tweak. This is currently compatible with Unreal Engine 5, and you can also use this for Unreal Engine 2.7 and migrate these files to Unreal Engine 5 if you so wish. And in terms of things that you'll be getting with this, there is a huge set of materials and also assets that comes with it. The texture size ranges from 1K all the way to 4K, and in terms of quality, you have a AAA quality for the models that you'll be getting. One beautiful thing that you'll be getting with this as well is one demo scene, which you can use to tell what is going on within the scene. And of course, if you like to build up stuff yourself, throw in some decals, play with some level of details, all of these are right here for you. Some bonus content that you'll be getting with this includes some landscape materials, and inclusively this comes with 73 nature assets, which includes foliages, rocks, debris, and so on that you can use to beautify your medieval scenes. And while we speak about medieval scene, the low poly medieval interior and construction from the folks at Poly Art 3 is now something that you can get for free for this month. This is an asset kit for fantasy low poly medieval interiors and constructions, and you can start tweaking these things to get some very impressive results. Now, for anyone who is wondering how they can build these interiors, you actually don't need to bother, as there is a whole lot of assets that will make things come to life. From 155 plus different models that you can tweak that ranges from walls to floors, barrels, furniture, books, stairs, carpet, pots, jugs, curtains, candles, weapons, all the way to 9 demo scenes that you can explore and get up to speed. So if you're wondering how you can build a low poly medieval interior in Unreal Engine, this pack is available and you can start exploring all of the wonderful things that it offers. And moving away from medieval stuff, let's look at some modern neighborhood pack. The modular neighborhood pack made available by Dokyo is one impressive one for anyone looking at creating a modular building in a recent setting. So this comes with 130 modular pieces that you can put together in terms of assets, and there is just a whole lot of things that you can do. All of these assets that we've been mentioning throughout today are all compatible with Unreal Engine 5, so just in case you're getting the brand new version of Unreal Engine and you like to explore all of that, these are right here and you can start doing some very impressive things with it. Alongside with this, you'll be getting a huge number of textures, And of course, there are some very lovely animatable trees that comes with this as well. So if you're looking for packs that you can use to build modern modular neighborhoods, then you might want to consider taking a look at this one. And finally, for this month, we have the permanently free content. This is by far one of the coolest permanently free content I've seen in terms of architectural visualization. It is a real-time architectural asset pack. So this is a simple French bistro restaurant scene with a dining set included. It's easy to use. It has some very low poly models that you can use for both games and architectural visualization. This offers 55 unique meshes, and all of these meshes have high quality details in terms of textures. There's also 13 master materials, 56 master instances, and there is just a whole lot of post-processing that you can take advantage of and also learn from. So if you've been looking for a scene that you can use to test out certain things, or maybe you've been looking for an architectural asset pack that you can use to set up your own restaurant scene for your architectural visualization, then this final one that we have for this month is a very wonderful one. And of course, a huge shout out to everyone that's contributed to this. So this is more like it, but still speaking about the things that are free for this month, the folks at Epic Games, they just released Unreal Engine 5, and there's a whole lot of things that is actually free. So if you go ahead and download Unreal Engine 5, there's lots of things, like the content sample pack is one that you can check out. There is also the Lyra starter game. Although these ones are basically for Unreal Engine, they are stuff that you can pick up and start learning with, and they are totally free. There's also the city sample vehicles that is also free. We also do have the ML Deformer for Maya users, and there is also the city sample buildings. So lots of city stuff that's available, like for example, the city sample crowd is also one of the cool ones, and these are meta-human crowds. So if in case you're looking for more free stuff, all of these things are here, and of course you can also go ahead and take advantage of all of them. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. A huge shout out to all of the contributors of this month's Unreal Engine Marketplace free giveaway. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.